Replacing a headlight on a 99 Kia Sportage is pretty simple. First you gotta take your blinker off. Just grab this little hook right here. Disconnect it. And just holds it to the fender there. Take your blinker assembly out. You got 4 bolts. And of course they're 10 millimeter. You gotta squeeze on both sides of this to release it. So there'll be this little prong protector to remove. Better to plug the passenger side in before you install the headlight because it's just a pain to get to on the back side. So when you go to put it back on, these little tabs right here go into those little slots right there, like that. Connect your springs back inside the fender well. Beautiful.